Many wooden crafts have emerged as a delightful trend in the world of DIY and home decor, offering a wide range of benefits that appeal to crafters, decorators, and those looking to enhance their living environments. These small-scale creations can transform spaces, provide a creative outlet, and serve as charming decorative pieces. The advantages of engaging with many wooden crafts are numerous, encompassing aesthetic appeal, practicality, sustainability, and personal expression. One of the primary benefits of many wooden crafts is their versatility. These small items can serve various purposes, from decorative accents to functional organizational tools. Creating many wooden crafts can also be a therapeutic and meditative process. The act of working with your hands, focusing on the details, and engaging in a creative endeavor can provide a sense of calm and relaxation. Many people find that crafting serves as an effective stress relief activity, allowing them to escape from the pressures of daily life. The repetitive motions involved in sanding, painting, or assembling wooden pieces can be soothing, making the crafting experience not only enjoyable, but also beneficial for mental well-being. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of many woodworking project ideas you can make for profit. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In addition to their practicality, many wooden crafts offer an opportunity for personal expression. Crafting allows individuals to explore their creativity and bring their unique ideas to life. The process of designing and creating these small pieces can be deeply fulfilling, providing a sense of accomplishment and pride. Crafters can experiment with different styles, colors, and finishes, enabling them to create items that reflect their personality and taste. This personal touch can enhance the overall ambience of a home, making it feel more individualized and welcoming. Whether it's a tiny planter, a decorative figurine, or a miniature shelf, the possibilities are vast, allowing crafters to tailor their projects to their needs and preferences. The aesthetic appeal of many wooden crafts cannot be overstated. Wood possesses a natural beauty that adds warmth and texture to any space. The grain patterns, colors, and finishes of wood can vary greatly, allowing for a diverse range of styles and designs. These small crafts can serve as charming focal points, enhancing the visual interest of a room without overwhelming the space. For example, a beautifully crafted wooden ornament can add a touch of elegance to a shelf, while a set of mini wooden coasters can provide both style and functionality to a coffee table. Another significant advantage of many wooden crafts is their accessibility. Many of these projects can be completed using basic tools and materials, making them suitable for crafters of all skill levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artisan, many wooden crafts offer a range of possibilities that can be tailored to your abilities. This accessibility encourages individuals to explore their creative potential and engage with woodworking, fostering a sense of community among crafters. The relatively small size of many wooden crafts also makes them easy to store and display. Unlike larger furniture pieces or decor items, these small crafts can be placed on shelves, mantels, or desks without taking up much space. This flexibility allows homeowners to change their decor frequently, rotating pieces in and out as desired. Additionally, many wooden crafts make excellent gifts, as they can be easily packaged and personalized, making them thoughtful presents for friends and family. Sustainability is a growing concern in today's world, and many wooden crafts often align with eco-friendly practices. Wood is a renewable resource, and when sourced responsibly, it can have a minimal impact on the environment. Many artisans prioritize using reclaimed or salvaged wood, which not only reduces waste, but also adds character to their creations. By choosing to create or purchase mini wooden crafts, individuals can support sustainable practices while enhancing their home decor. The potential for customization is another appealing aspect of mini wooden crafts. Crafters can choose to personalize their creations, whether through engraving, painting, or using unique finishes. This customization allows for a deeper connection between the creator and the crafted item, making each piece feel special and meaningful. Personalized mini wooden crafts can also serve as memorable gifts, celebrating milestones such as weddings, birthdays, or anniversaries. The thoughtfulness behind a customized item often resonates more than a generic store-bought gift, fostering a sense of connection and appreciation. Engaging in mini wooden crafts can also foster a sense of community among crafters. Many people enjoy sharing their projects through social media or local craft fairs, creating an environment where ideas and techniques can be exchanged and celebrated. This sense of community can be incredibly supportive, providing encouragement and inspiration for individuals at all skill levels. Workshops and classes centered around mini wooden crafts can also bring people together, allowing for shared experiences and the development of new friendships based on common interests. The process of creating mini wooden crafts can also be educational. For individuals interested in woodworking, tackling smaller projects can serve as an excellent introduction to the craft. Learning to use tools, understand wood types, and develop finishing techniques can build a foundation for future woodworking endeavors. This educational aspect can be particularly beneficial for children, as engaging in hands-on activities can enhance fine motor skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Many wooden crafts can serve as stepping stones to more complex projects, encouraging a lifelong appreciation for craftsmanship. A simple wooden box can be both a storage solution for small items and a beautiful decorative piece on a tabletop. This multifunctionality makes mini wooden crafts an excellent choice for people looking to maximize the utility of their decor while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing environment. Moreover, mini wooden crafts can play a significant role in home organization. Small wooden boxes or containers can be used to store office supplies, craft materials, or personal items, helping to declutter spaces while adding a decorative touch. By incorporating organization into design, homeowners can create environments that are not only visually appealing, but also functional. This approach promotes efficiency and ease of access, making daily routines smoother and more enjoyable. The charm of mini wooden crafts lies in their ability to evoke nostalgia and warmth. Many people have fond memories of creating or receiving handmade items, and incorporating these crafts into a home can rekindle those feelings. The rustic appeal of wood can remind individuals of simpler times, creating a comforting atmosphere. This emotional connection can enhance the overall ambience of a space, making it feel more inviting and homely. Additionally, many wooden crafts can serve as conversation starters. Unique or intricately designed pieces can draw the attention of guests, sparking discussions about the craftsmanship, inspiration behind the design, or the materials used. This interactive element can create a more engaging and welcoming environment, encouraging connections among family and friends. Sharing stories about the creation process or the significance of a particular piece can foster deeper relationships and shared experiences. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini woodworking project ideas you can make for profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.